wind warning in effect from 8:30 a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a high wind warning for the greater Wichita metropolitan area from 8:30 a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hazard: 25 to 45 miles per hour wind gusts with some isolated areas reaching up to 60 miles per hour. Source: wind anemometers reported high winds. Impact: high winds could knock down trees or power lines. Widespread power outages may be possible. Travel will be difficult, especially from high-profile vehicles. People should be cautious when on the road, or in forested areas. Ensure outside objects are either secured to the ground or brought inside. Locations impacted include the Wichita Greater Metropolitan Area.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Sedgwick County Police Department. At 9:15 a.m. Central Standard Time, a crash on Interstate 35 between a car and a truck carrying chlorine gas exploded and burst into flames. This explosion has resulted in chlorine gas being released into the atmosphere. In addition, the unusually strong winds have started carrying the gas towards the Wichita metropolitan area. Due to the severity of the situation, all residents within 5 miles of Interstate 35 are strongly advised to seek shelter indoors immediately. Close and lock all windows and doors. Block out all outside air, including turning off all ventilation systems and covering up all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Tune into local media outlets and internet sources for more updates on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Sedgwick County Health Department. Chlorine gas has gotten into the water supply. I repeat, chlorine gas is in the water supply. Do not drink tap water. Only drink bottled water. If you have drunk any water in the last 10 minutes, you are strongly advised to seek medical attention immediately. The cause of this is the crash and subsequent explosion on Interstate 35. Do not drink any city-distributed water until when all clear is given. Chlorine gas is highly toxic and can cause severe respiratory and mucous membrane irritation, as well as pulmonary edema and even death at high concentrations. It is also flammable and can react with other substances to produce hazardous byproducts. Tune into local media outlets and internet sources for more updates on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Sedgwick County Health Department. Shelter-in-place warning for all of the Wichita metropolitan area until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. All residents living in this area are strongly advised to shelter in place due to a dangerous gas blowing through the area. To shelter in place, you are advised to do the following instructions. Get to the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Find an interior room with as few doors and windows as possible. Close and lock all windows and doors. Place as many objects as possible between you and the outside world. Turn off all gas and ventilation systems. Seal off all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Close off all fireplace dampers. And bring essential supplies including food, water, clothes, medical supplies, a first aid kit, flashlight and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries to last the duration of this emergency. Do not go outside. I repeat, do not go outside. If you do so, you are putting your life and health at risk. Instead, remain in your shelter. If you are outside or in a vehicle, find the nearest building and stay there. Tune into local media outlets and internet sources for more updates on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Sedgwick County Health Department. The chlorine gas that originated from the crash on Interstate 35 has passed the area, and the fire has been put out, and all residents of Wichita are free to exit their shelters at this time if they wish. Keep in mind, the water supply is still somewhat contaminated. Continue drinking bottled water until an all clear is given. This concludes all operations under this alert. Normal programming will not resume.